Hello everybody, this is my Sears model 758-80872 box fan. It's a 14-inch model with 2 speeds and it's mounted on a tilting floor stand. Like my previous Kenmore, this one was manufactured by Vernco. The motor was made by Vernco as well at their plant in Menominee, Michigan, so the motor in this was made at the old Signal plant. This fan was a gift from a fellow collector here in Southern California, and I'd like to say thank you to him. Now, I'm not going to give his name out of respect for his privacy, but nonetheless, thank you again, man. I really appreciate this. So with that, let's take a closer look at this fan. This fan is in great shape, but it does need some cleanup work done to it. We're now going to start the fan up, and the first speed is high. And we'll change down to low speed. And we'll bring it back up to high speed. And off to show the coast down. Now, of course, it wouldn't be a box fan video without startup sounds, so here's the startup on high. And the startup on low. So yeah, this fan does need a little bit of work. I'll have to go into the motor and clean out the bearings and probably check the wiring on this one. So with that, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you, of course, for watching, and we will have more to come, so stay tuned. Later.